Okay, we're back. It's probably 2 or 3 days later. Had other things to do. Been working at this. One of the things you'd probably, if you do this kind of stuff enough, you'll figure out that you have to be able to adapt and be creative. As it turns out, if I've got this down far enough for you to see, these joists are the 3-foot long ones that I said I was going to put in. And my plan was I was going to get these in and push them all the way back, and then take my new rim joist and fasten the short pieces that are going to go here, 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 etc. Fasten the short pieces to it, fit it under the wall, and then pull the short pieces back, butt it up against the old joists that are cut off right under here. That was the plan. But it turned out back here, I'm not going to bother, I don't think you can see this, but back here there is a beam going this way. It's probably a 2x2 and wood, but it's back under there far enough that I could not push these back in there to be out of the way. I would have pushed them back in, and after I got the other fitted in, I would have pulled these out against it and screwed them from the outside, screwed the rim joist to all of them. But I can't do that because these won't go underneath. And with them out as far as they are, I also found I also had to cut them off to 35.5 inches. 36 was a little too long. So what I have to do now is take my new rim joist and fit it in, and then take my short pieces and fit them in, and then I'll just go on the outside and screw the rim joist to the end of all of these at the same time. But I just wanted to show you, how you have to change your plans sometimes. And so I'll turn this camera off now, and I'll get my rim joist fitted in and the other short pieces, and then we'll be back. I think.